Roof maintenance is a responsibility of a homeowner that is very often overlooked. People tend to wait until it is too late when it comes to their roof. When this occurs, roof replacement will most likely be necessary. When assessing if a roof needs to be replaced or not, a homeowner should look for cracked, missing, faded, or damaged shingles. If more than 15% of the roof surface is in disrepair, a replacement may be necessary. Once the decision of roof replacement has been made, the first step is to remove the old roofing material. The typical tool of choice for this operation is the ripping shovel. It has teeth that will grab the nails for a cleaner removal. Having a dumpster available to throw debris in will aid in the cleanup process later. Remember, there will be lots of nails that come off of the roof, so watch your step and have a magnet handy. After the old roofing material has been removed and discarded, it is a good idea to check the roof sheathing for any rotted or weak boards. If there are any boards in need of replacement, this is the time to do so. The next step in the roofing process is to install the underlayment. In most cases, the underlayment is an oil-impregnated felt paper. It is important to check your local building codes to ensure that this is the correct underlayment in your area. This underlayment is typically attached to the roof sheathing using a hammer stapler and T50 staples. After an underlayment is laid that meets local building codes, we then need to install something to keep the water away from the edges of our plywood. If water touches the edge of the plywood, capillary action will quickly bring the water all over the roof. Installing drip edge is an important step and will extend the lifespan of your new roof. It is installed using traditional roofing nails and will need to be cut using tin snips. After drip edge has been installed, now the actual shingles can begin to be installed. It is important to work from the edge of the roof, staggering each row. This means that you will need to cut the first shingle of each row in order to gain a staggered seam. Shingles will be installed using 4 roofing nails in the glue strip of each shingle. You should follow manufacturer specifications for what the allowable exposure for each shingle is. Oftentimes while roofing, you will encounter vent pipes. These pipes require a special boot and flashing to be placed around them. Check local building codes for more specifics in your areas. When the boot is replaced, we must also shingle in a manner that allows for a watertight seal around the pipe. The final step in the roofing process occurs at the ridge, or the top of the roof. This is the area where the two sides of the roof meet and need to be sealed from the elements. In order to do this, we use specialty shingles called ridge caps. They have a trapezoidal shape to them and receive 2 nails in each. It is important to use the same exposure you did on the rest of the roof when working with the cap shingles. When this job is done, it is time to sit back and look at what you have accomplished. This may have been one of the most labor-intensive tasks that you have ever taken on, but the outcome should be very rewarding. It is important to keep all receipts in case there is any material failures. Good job with the roof installation.